Okay, this curve has got two stationary points, but I find dy by dx, well, that means I can just differentiate that. If I differentiate x cubed, that will give me 3x squared, and 2 comes down to times there, that's minus 2kx plus 1. Is that it? I have. Let's differentiate that, part 2. Given there's a stationary point when x equals 1, that's telling me that dy by dx is 0. Therefore, 3x squared minus 2kx plus 1 equals 0 when x equals 1. So that would be 3 times 1 minus 2k times 1 plus 1 equals 0. Add 2k to both sides. 4 equals 2k. So k equals 2. So I have found the value of k. Let's go. I've got 5 marks already. Determine whether this stationary point is a minimum or maximum. So I need to do the second derivative. So d2y by dx squared. That would be 2 comes down times by 3, so it goes 6x, and then minus 2k. And I just worked out what k is 2, so that is 6x minus 4. And now we've got to put in when x is 1. So when x equals 1, d2y by dx squared equals 6. 6x, 6, 1, 6, take away 4, which equals 2, and that is greater than 0, therefore we have a minimum. Good. And part 4, find the x coordinate, just don't need to find the coordinate, just the x value of the other stationary value. So I've got 3x squared minus 2k, 2, so that's minus 4x plus 1. I'm putting that equals to 0 to find the stationary value, and I know that one of them is plus 1, so one will say x minus 1. That's going to help me factorize it. That's going to have to be 3x. I've got to get plus 1, so that's going to have to be minus 1, because minus 1 times 1 minus 1 gives me plus 1. Something times something is 0, so either x minus 1 equals 0 or 3x minus 1 equals 0. Solve that. X equals 1. I've already had that one. Or x equals, add 1 to both sides and then divide by 3. X equals a third. I only asked for the x value. It didn't ask me for the actual coordinate. So that is the answer, and that's 8 done.